The Philippines' #1 smartphone brand, Realme, has entered the affordable 5G scene with the latest addition to the Realme 8 series, the Realme 8 5G. While not the first and definitely not the cheapest, the Realme 8 5G has features that might convince you to be future-proof with this phone. The Realme 8 5G was launched last June 25 exclusively online on Shopee with an early bird price of 10,490 pesos from a retail price of almost 12,000 pesos. It's also available in physical stores, but instead of a discount, customers will get a free Realme Buds Q. I got mine from Shopee and it arrived only after 3 days. So inside the yellow box, you have the SIM card ejector pin, the user guides in different languages, a clear jelly case, an 18-watt power adapter, and a USB Type-C to Type-A cable. The SIM card tray has a dedicated SD card slot, which should come in handy if 128GB is not enough for you. The Realme 8 5G screen is 6.5-inch with a punch-hole 16-megapixel selfie camera located at the top left-hand side. There's no mention of a Gorilla Glass protection, but the phone already has a plastic screen protector out of the box. The back has a shiny finish that resembles glass but is actually made of plastic. Here you'll also find the camera island with 3 cameras, the main 48-megapixel camera, a 2-megapixel macro camera, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. The battery of the phone is 5000 mAh with support for 18-watt fast charging. The battery size should be enough to last you the whole day for casual use. For its main selling point, the Realme 8 5G is capable of 5G connections, which should give you faster speeds compared to 4G. And on a side note, although it's not yet officially part of Dito's list of compatible devices, I got a VoLTE signal right off the bat. The Realme 8 5G is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 700 chip, which can handle your daily tasks, and based on my experience with the Poco M3 Pro 5G, it should perform decently when it comes to heavy games such as PUBG and Genshin Impact. For the software, the phone comes with Android 11 with Realme UI 2.0. The user interface is easy to navigate, and although full of bloatware, you could always uninstall and personalize the look of the interface based on your liking. So I had this phone for barely a day and I'll upload another video for a full review. But so far, the Realme 8 5G seems like a worthy competitor to recent releases such as the Poco M3 Pro 5G and the Redmi Note 10 5G. And choosing between these affordable 5G phones is more difficult than I originally thought. So with that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, The Misadventures of Ronnie G. Thank you for watching and stay safe.